Changing your Venmo bank link is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, open the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap the menu icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings, then tap on Payment Methods. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage all of your connected payment methods, including your bank account. To change your bank link, find the bank account you want to update and tap on it. You will then be given the option to remove bank or edit bank. If you want to replace your current bank account with a new one, select Remove Bank. Confirm that you want to remove the bank account by tapping Remove. Next, tap on Add Bank or Card to connect a new bank account. You will be asked to enter your bank's routing number and account number. You can find this information on a check or by contacting your bank. Enter the numbers carefully, as incorrect information can cause the linking process to fail. After you enter your bank information, Venmo may ask you to verify your account. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the bank account. To verify, you can either wait for micro deposits to be made to your account, which you will then need to confirm, or you can use the instant verification option if it is available for your bank. Once your bank account is verified, it will be connected to your Venmo account and you can use it to send and receive payments. It is essential to keep your payment methods up to date to avoid any issues with your transactions. In summary, changing your Venmo bank link involves removing your old bank account, adding a new one, and verifying the new account. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment methods and ensure that your Venmo account is secure and functional. Remember to always double-check your bank information to avoid any errors during the linking process.